In the harshest corners of our planet, the desert waits in silent anticipation. For months, the scorched earth endures unrelenting heat, its cracked clay and shifting sands seemingly devoid of all life. Yet beneath this dry surface lies a hidden kingdom of dormant seeds, locked in suspended animation. The arrival of dark, heavy storm clouds signals a dramatic atmospheric shift. As the first fat droplets strike the parched soil, the landscape begins a remarkable physical transformation. Torrential water quickly fills the deep crevices, soaking rapidly into the dry, sandy layers. Underneath, moisture acts as a crucial biological trigger, awakening millions of seeds. Within hours, tiny root systems anchor into the wet sand, preparing to break through. Pale green shoots push upward, seeking the warm morning sun. We watch as this initial burst of life marks the beginning of an extraordinary ecological renaissance that completely changes the barren desert valley floor.
What follows is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's resilience. Within days, the empty desert floor is completely carpeted in vibrant green. Hardy shrubs unfurl fresh leaves, and countless wildflower buds begin to swell. Suddenly, a sea of brilliant yellows, deep purples, and radiant pinks erupts across the valley, painting the landscape with stunning color. This sudden abundance of vegetation draws life back to the dunes. Beneficial insects, desert reptiles, and soaring birds arrive to populate this temporary paradise, which now pulses with rich biodiversity. Where sand once drifted aimlessly, a fully mature, thriving oasis stands as a testament to the Earth's restorative power. The transformation is complete, proving that even the most desolate environments hold the capacity for spectacular renewal. If you wish to witness more of these incredible natural phenomena and follow our journey through the world's most dramatic landscapes,